M3GAN.
I get accused of being the master of killer doll movies.
It's nice to meet you, Katie. Do you want to hang out?
I designed M3GAN to protect Katie from feeling lonely. You're gonna pair with her.
It's insane, right?
She's designed to be
The ideal companion. M3GAN, your goal is to protect Katie from harm. Is the input request received?
100%.
As her AI evolves,
she becomes very protective of Katie,
I won't let anything harm you.
and it's pretty terrifying.
M3GAN, what are you doing?
Couldn't sleep. Occupational hazard.
I think people need to be reminded of the fact that this technology is here. We're not that far from something like M3GAN existing, and that is pretty unsettling.
Are you listening to me, Brandon?
She's really creepy, but playful at the same time, you know, just before she's about to kind of cut someone in half.
Recalibrating response model.
Baby, just you. Don't provoke us or we will.
This movie is really fun,
Did M3GAN do something bad?
but it's still a horror film.
It's terrifying.
You're gonna walk out of the theater and feel like,
That was creepy as
You should probably run. Don't worry, Katie. I won't let anything harm you. Ever again.
Ask you. Don't provoke us or we will.